Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to build a vintage turntable with vinyl records for today's Lego Brick tutorial. Let's begin the shelf starting with a pair of 2x2 plates. Let's place a 1x8 brick on the top portion of the 2x2 plates. On the left hand side, a 1x1 plate. Next, a 1x6 flat tile and a 1x1 brick on the right hand side. Let's proceed on with another 1x8 brick and a 1x1 brick. For our vinyl record, start with a 1x1 by 1 2/3 brick with 2 vertical studs. We're going to start placing several 1x1 and 1x2 plates and tiles on top. Now these are going to simulate the vinyl records. Now I'm going to stick a 1x1 plate here and a 1x1 flat tile. Now what this is going to do is simulate like we have 45s on the shelf. And then I'm going to proceed on with adding a few more 1x2 plates. Now if these don't straighten out, you can place them flat on the table and just mush that down. I'll place a 1x1 flat tile here, and this is to smooth off this edge. And then we're going to proceed on with a few more 1x1 plates. Now if you don't like stacking plates on top of one another, well, there's really no other way around it. Let's keep going here. Or you can just simply do this too, is set it on a flat surface and slide the parts in. Now we're going to proceed on with another 1x1 plate and a 1x1 flat tile. Now this does get a bit fragile, so we're going to hold that down very firmly to a flat surface. Then I want to continue on with a 1x1 plate, and I'm going to take one of these 1x2 slopes that look like a ladder, stick this on the end, so it looks like we have a sloped record. Now setting our records on the shelf are pretty easy. I'm just going to attach this to the 1x1 plate, and for the top, a 2x2 jumper plate, a 2x4 plate, and a 2x2 jumper plate. Now in the center, I'm going to set down a 2x2 turntable, and I want to surround that with a pair of 1x2 plates. Now on the left hand side, set down 2 studs, and on the right set down a stud, and in the middle take a 2x2 round flat tile. Now if you have one that has a record print, that's even better. I'm just going to use a plain black one, and then I'm going to take an aerial and place this on like so. Looks like a little needle. Let's set this off to the side. We're going to take a 1x1 brick with 1 stud. I'm going to place 2 1x1 plates on top, followed by a 1x1 flat tile. Now we're going to be building our speakers. I'm just going to press that down, make sure everything's flat, and I'm going to attach a 1x2 radiator grill on the stud. Now let's make 2 of these, and we're going to set these on our jumper plates for little speakers.